Cabin M436 on deck 15 of the Regal Princess is a Category BB stateroom, offering 175 square feet inside and a 36 square foot balcony where you can enjoy beautiful ocean views right from your room. The queen bed can be converted to two twin beds, and the bathroom features a shower with an adjustable shower head. You'll also find an open closet, a desk, and two nightstands to make your stay comfortable and organized. If you enjoyed this tour, check out my other Regal Princess videos and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cruise content.